And the actual time they sign up for doesn't matter either. Again, this isn't a meeting. There's no conversation happening here. Basically, what the client is saying is, I guarantee that by the week of this Monday that I'm choosing, by the end of that week, I'm going to have all my stuff to you and you'll be able to start working on my return. And the flip side of that is we're guaranteeing that within 2 weeks following that Friday, that we will have the return ready, sent to you for review. You'll be able to sign it. Assuming you sign it, we'll file it as soon as we get that signature back. So that's how that's a system we've set up to manage that. Are you going to file my return by April 15th? Well, we're not. That's the whole point. So we're automatically filing extensions for everything, even the ones that are able to sign up earlier. We're still filing extensions. We've got our reasons for doing that, but yeah, that's the system we've set up, and so we're hoping that sort of smooths out the workflow. We do a lot of accounting and bookkeeping in our firm also, so we don't really want a tax season. We want to maintain that workflow throughout the year. If you're solo, it's a personal question. It's your personal preference. For me, I've worked in portals where it's very easy. They have built-in PDF viewers. Talking about TaxDome, you pretty much got a PDF editor. It's not quite as powerful as something like Adobe Acrobat, but it's probably 90% there as far as what you can do. You can leave little notes to yourself. You can highlight things. You can scribble notes on them. A lot of different things like that. And so if I'm working with a preparer and there's something in that form that I need to point out that they missed or that they put it in the wrong place on the return or something, then I can make a note in the return, but I can also go back in that form and leave a little note for them and highlight the number and say, look, this is the amount you missed, or this is the amount that you put in the wrong place in the return, or something like that. So it makes it easy to do that. Or if you're getting those documents a different way and you don't have something like that built into your portal, maybe download it, put it into some sort of document management or file management system, and then you've got it there. Another option is using some sort of automated service. Gruntworks is an example that I worked with a firm that used Gruntworks, and Gruntworks will essentially take all of those files. It will identify what the different kinds of documents are. It'll reorder them and then put them all into one single PDF file that has a table of contents. And so you can go through and you can order that however you want. You can see all the W-2s. You can see all the 1099s. You can see, all of the other documents listed there, and then you can prep from that. So again, it's just sort of all personal preference and the degree to which you want to use technology to manage and help you with that. Again, the printing the documents off, yes, of course, compared to what's available, you can say it's old school, but I don't know. I know 20-year-olds who still read paperback books. I prefer Kindle, but it's not because of any reason.